So, this is what I've bought with the 100 euros in my local bookstore. I've bought some card sleeves, if I can pull anything. These are two booster packs from the Paldea Evolved line, and then I've bought 3 tins with the Galarian birds, the Zapdos, the Moltres and the Articuno, which I thought it would be cool to collect as well. So we'll start with the booster packs. Let's put them aside, like so. Hopla. Then the first booster pack, I'm gonna, you never know, make sure the sleeves are ready. I've read that there are some really good sleeves to protect your Pokemon cards, so I'm kinda nervous. After 25 years of collecting Pokemon, I'm starting again. My wife is going to kill me. So, let's have a look. Ah yeah, if anyone is interested in the code 1, 2, 3, I think, like so. Oh, you have a Coombi to start, a Powmoth, Energy, Charcadet, Relor, Tadbulb, Freebags, Gotitel, Arctibax, Giacomo, and the Murkrow Reverse Holo. It's not bad for the first time. Let's put them aside. Let's get on to the next one. So, let's do it again. If anyone is interested, go ahead. Just so. First off, Slowpoke. That's a no one. Lilio. Come on, focus, camera. Right, it's better. Sorry about that. Rockruff, Palmy, Floragato, Mousehold, Tinkato. Oh, and a Gyarados, nice, reverse. Wow, Energy and Pow X. Wow. Oh my god. Okay, this has to be special. Oh, nice. Really like the design. Oh, the Gyarados is so cool. Reminds me of the old days. Oh, right now I have to be careful. Let's get these sleeves. God. So cool. Look at that. Revengeful Storm and Berserker Attacker. Okay, that's one. And the Mioscarada EX 310 HP. Scratching nails. Now into the sleeve, up you go. Look at that. Really cool. Nice. Let's put them aside as well. So, next up we'll start with the Galarian birds. First up is the Moltres. Come on, plastic. Work a little bit with me, please. Yes, like so. And then, of course, we start with the Moltres cards in all their glory. Pretty nice card, I think, but not so rare, I presume. But anyway, let's tuck it in a sleeve. Oh, there's something after it. Again, some kind of QR code card. Come on, please focus. Like so. Here you go, guys. Let's take another sleeve. It's for me all new, so bear with me, guys. It's maybe not that special card, but for me it is, because it's a new collection. Then we have like Sword and Shield, Crown Zenith booster packs, I think. 4 of them. Let's put them at the sides. Start with the first one. Gently. Let's go. Does anyone knows how to stack them properly to make it more challenging for me? Please let know in the comments. I'm learning. Start off first of all with the Oddish. It's a regular card. Then we have a Seal, Potion, Aaron, nice card, really nice. Corfish, and the Deoxys, Fusion Strike, Single Strike, Rapid Strike. Is that something important? Oh, that Charizard V. Oh my god, nice. Oh, okay. Be calm, Tobi. Be calm. Oh shit, I don't know. Is it a good card or not? Oh, the Deoxys is also very nice. Look at that card. I think in good condition. And the Charizard V. What the hell, man. What a card. And I think in almost perfect condition. Boy, this is so cool. Oh, fuck a helmet, I'm sweating. Energy, Luxio, Crushing Hammer, Rescue, and another QR code thingy. Let's go, guys. Yes, very nice. The next Crown Zenith. Let's go. Come on. Give me some good pulls. I think it's quite nice already. So, Chatot, I don't know the name of it. The Yanma. The Pawniard. The Cricketed. The Shinx with the Rapid Strike. Then a reverse holo, I think. Seal, very nice, cool cards. A anti-holo, wow, damn it. This is going on the side. This one is a really cool card. I've had the anti back in the day when the Pokémon movie arrived, which came with the cinema tickets. Then we have an Energy, Carnivine, and a rare candy, and a Laron. Oh, it's a cool Pokemon as well. Really nice Pokemon. And again a QR code thingy. Go ham, guys, on the QR code. I'm gonna put those in a sleeve. I really like the Seal. It's a cool card. Reverse holo. Yeah. Don't know it's so much. it doesn't matter. It's a cool card. I love it. I like the blue with the water droplets on it. Really cool. Yes, yes, yes. Very nice things. Damn, I like it already. I'm hooked, I think, again. And only with like 100 euros. Let's go. Let's start off with a QR code again. Very nice. Let's go with the ball toy. Ball toy. A Meowth, Galarian Meowth, Wilmer, again a Shinx, so it's too bad, Larvesta, and a Luminion V. Nice. Quite a cool card as well. Really dark. Nice, good condition, I think. Gooms, Whoosh, and this is a V-Star card. Don't know what it is. Okay, gonna put it aside. Friends, Encino, Gloom, and a Ultra Ball. Really nice. Luminion V, 170 HP. Pretty cool card. Getting quite dark now. Yes, come on, boy. Yeah. So have a look, guys. Really cool. Yeah. This is already the last one from the first tin. Oh boy. And again for you guys to enjoy the QR codes with the code. Then again a Meowth. Energy retrieval. Come on, focus, boy. Then a Shinx. A Molha. Ludfisk, the Zaroots reverse holo, a holo energy card. Nice, never seen it. Back in the day it wasn't even possible to get a holo energy card, but really nice. Another energy, a Friends in Yoshi, Shaman, and a Crushing Hammer again. Let's go! Let's go, let's go, Pokemon, Pokemon, let's go, let's go. Put it in, and a holo energy. Pretty cool. Like the glowing effect, pretty much. Let's go. Next up, next in, next holos. Come on. I already have his Charizard V. Oh my god, freaking cool. So, gonna put it a little bit like this, like the cool pools, maybe. And the Charizard, damn it, and the Deoxys. Wow, cool cards. Then, of course, if you put open the next, you have the Zapdos, Galarian Zapdos, really cool cards. Like it very much. Put it in a sleeve for sure. It's not really a, it's a holo. It wasn't really like glowing. If you put it some ways, then you can see it glowing a little bit. Then again, for you guys, the QR code. Then again, the... Don't fall, man. So, 4 booster packs. Let's go. So first of all, again for you guys, the QR code thingy. Then a switch card, trainer cards, Snorunt, Larvesta, Tangela, Baltoy, a Mew, what? 60 HP, wow, that's not a lot. A Calyrex Hollow. Put on the side, Energy, Lunatone, Solrock, oh the both, yeah I have both of them already. And a rare candy, wow, nice, nice, nice. Pretty cool cards. Really like the art form of the Mew with the Galarian Ponyta and some other birds and small animals. Nice. In the woods, a Nidoran, both of them. Pretty cool cards. Very nice. And the Calyrex Hollow, 110 HP. Pretty cool cards. Nice, nice. Very nice. I like. Put them on the side as well. Then another Crown Zenith booster pack. Let's go, 10 cards, of course. And then again for your Pokemon Redeem lovers, let's go. A Mr. Mime Galarian form, a Sunkern, a dark colored Coughing, oh, wow, pretty cool. A Odys, wow, nice artwork. A Salandit, another Hollow Energy, Fighting Energy, Executor, 130 HP, Psychic Energy, Friends of Invisi, Lost Vacuum, and then the Luxio. Nice. Only one hollow. It's too bad, but it's a energy card, so it goes with the other one. Sorry. Nice. I really like the orange effect on the hollow from this one. Pretty cool. Then we have another booster pack. Here you go, guys. Enjoy. Then Grubbin, a Skrelp, a Wooloo, a Helioptile, a Pancham, that's a cool Pokemon. And then a Leafeon V-Star, nice. Oh, I love the art. And another Energy, glowing. Oh, look, we have both of them, haha. And a Metang, nice. Energy Switch and a Krokorok. Oh, look at the Leafeon. Wow, it's so cool. The grass type form of the EV goes into the sleeve. Let's go. Nice. V-Star Power, 260 HP. Very cool cards. Nice. Wow. And the Hollow Energy card as well. Look at that, already 3 hollows from the energy line. Nice. Good pulls. Nice, nice. Very nice. Then the last one of the second tin. Let's go. Gotta catch them all, gotta catch them all. Gotta catch them all, gotta catch them all, yeah. Let's go. Here you go, guys. Then a Chateau. Yanma. Oh, I see something glowing already. A Barnyard. A Bidoof. A Potion. A Switch. And then it's a reverse holo one. Ah, really cool. Then a Yanmega. Energy Switch, a Krok, and a Ultra Ball. Well, that's a little bit disappointing. Only the trainer card was a reverse holo, but fine. You get some, you lose some. Rome wasn't built in a day. It's a nice upgrade. I'll put them away a little bit because it's a little bit dangerous. Then the final box. Helaas, pindakaas we say in Belgium. Yes, I'm Belgian. Live in Flanders, near Ghent. That's why maybe my accent is not really English or American or Canadian or Australian, but I do my best to talk to you guys in the best way possible. So, last but not least, the Articuno Galarian style. Wow, really cool card. It's a psychic form. I really like the artwork here again. So, you guys, here you go. Really nice cards. This goes for sure into the sleeve. So let's have a look, shall we? Nice accents on this back. Really good condition, I think. Not that I really know something of it, but I think so. Let's put it on the sides. Alright guys, before we open the last 4 packs, could you guys give me like a thumbs up or something, or like comment down below your favorite Pokemon card ever. And if you like these videos, please subscribe. It means a lot to me to start like a new adventure, a new YouTube channel, a new hobby, again from zero with you guys, and it would be amazing if you subscribe. Nevertheless, here are again some QR codes for you to enjoy. And we start off with a Yanma, a Barnyard, a Bidoof, a Potion. Let's go. See something, and another Galarian Mr. Mime, and a Caldeo with some kind of Aurora holo. Really cool card. Look at that art, look at that glowing. Pretty cool basic card, but for me it's really cool. A Galarian Berserker, a energy card, Krok again, a Lunatone again, and a Solrock again. That's like those cards come in couples, probably. Let's put the Caldeo into the sleeve, like so. Very nice, I like. Pretty cool cards. The third to go. Hopla. Hopla. Let's open it. So here you go. We start off with a Cricketot, a Chatot, a Mr. Mime, again, Sunkern, a, oh, wow, Bidoof, again, what, a Zerora V-Star, wow, Crushing Beat V-Star Power Lightning Storm Star, boah, what a card, man, and a, oh, Zakin V, is it one, oh damn, from the game Sword and Shields, oh damn, boah, what a card. And again a V-Star card, this is probably for the game, Energy Switch, and a Krokorok again. We have gonna have a team of all Krokoroks, I think, at the end of the video. Let's put the Zakane V into the sleeve and have a look, shall we? Wow, look at the holo effect on the card, awesome. And the Zeraora is like a little bit of Spanish. Let's go, V-Star card, come on, focus a little bit, thank you. Crushing Beat, nice, pretty cool card. Second to last booster pack to open. Almost done for today. And first of all, for you guys, here you go. Hopla. Then execute, nice card. An Rockruff, a Purlion, a left disc, Chateau, and a reverse holo Tauros, cool cards, and a Mewtwo. Oh, this was the OG bad guy in the first Pokemon movie. Oh, goddamn, bro, really cool cards. Oh, so excited. Energy, Dusclops, Metang, and a Energy Switch. The Mewtwo goes for sure in the sleeve. What Mewtwo? Always reminds me of the first movie with the cloned starter Pokemon with the Charizards and all with the stripes on. Really cool. And the emotional scene with Pikachu. Oh, gives me goosebumps even thinking about it. Nice, Tauros Holo Reverse. And then the last booster pack, I'm afraid, guys and girls, of course, to end this evening. Hopefully another cool pool. And I see from the get-go again a execute. Make it sure proper in focus. Love disc. Emolha, Yanma, a Ponyard, like the Pokemon, a Biddy. Oh, what? Is this normal, guys? The writing here on the card? Wow. Supporter Biddy. Holo, reverse holo. Heliusk. A Fire Energy, Rescue Carrier, Salazzle, Carnivine, and for closing the QR codes. So I'm gonna look up later the meaning of these cards. It's really cool to end these packs. Then to summarize, I'm gonna show again all the cards that I think are pretty cool. So first of all, the BD with the special writing. Then of course Holotaurus, the Mewtwo, Zerora, the Zacian, Keldeo, Articuno, and to end this video, those two, the Charizard V220 and the Entei. So guys, I'm gonna quit this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to put a thumbs up and go fire spinning on the video like Charizard. See you guys in the next video. Ciao ciao.